Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Monday. A cut-off low-pressure system in the upper levels of the atmosphere is bringing some very wet weather to central South Africa as well as parts of the Cape provinces. We've already had quite a lot of rain overnight and into this morning, and we're expecting it to remain quite cloudy across these areas for the rest of today, although some of the rainfall will start easing off later on. In the far west, on the other hand, we are expecting thunder showers to redevelop once again this afternoon, including most of the Western Cape, and a few thunder showers will also pop up in Mpumalanga. Another dry day expected for Limpopo and mainly dry weather into Gauteng. And this is reflected on the rainfall probability map. There we see no rain up in the northeastern corner, while widespread showers and thunder showers will be possible for some areas in the Northern Cape into the central Free State and down towards the Drakensberg. Scattered showers possible across KZN, the Eastern Cape, much of the Western and Northern Cape, and isolated thunder showers may even reach the Cape Peninsula today, and a few thunder showers, as we've already seen, possible in Mpumalanga. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for today for the likelihood that heavy rainfall will fall over some parts of the northwest, the Northern Cape, as well as the central and western Free State. Maximum temperatures and the wet areas are expected to remain quite cool today, mid to lower 20s for the Free State, as well as some parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Warmer over the western interior as well as near the west coast. Vredendal gets to 32, and we're expecting 30 degrees as a high for Pretoria, Mahikeng, Polokwane, Mbombela, as well as Richards Bay. Taking a look at the detailed coastal forecast, and we're still expecting light winds for the west coast today, although fresh winds will start developing in Langebaan later this afternoon and into this evening. No surprises as we head further south. That southeasterly wind continues to blow from Cape Agulhas through to Table Bay, fresh to strong, and winds will also be freshening into Table Bay by this evening as well. Swells coming in from the southwest, picking up to about 3.5 meters, especially around Cape Point. Winds are somewhat stronger today along the south coast, getting up to 30 kilometers per hour, still coming in from the east for most areas, swells picking up to 2.5 meters. And along the east coast of South Africa, light winds will continue for both Durban and Richards Bay, while freshening northeasterly winds are expected for both the Wild Coast and East London. Swells remaining very low at between 1 and 1.5 meters. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Monday.